What makes a country's air power formidable? This question takes us to the heart of military strategy and technological advancement. To explore this, we'll dive into the journey of a nation that has made significant strides in its air power capabilities, Pakistan. In the year 2030, Pakistan set forth an ambitious plan known as Vision 2030. This vision aimed to bolster Pakistan's aerial capabilities and position the country as a formidable force in the region. The plan included acquiring cutting-edge fighter jets from China and Turkey, marking a significant milestone in Pakistan's path to air power expansion. Central to this strategy was the acquisition of fifth-generation fighter jets, notably the J-31 from China and the Khan from Turkey. The J-31, a product of China's advanced aerospace industry, signified a leap forward in stealth technology and combat capabilities. On the other hand, the Khan, a joint venture between Turkey and Pakistan, promised to be a game-changer with its advanced features and interoperability. Not to be overlooked, Pakistan's existing arsenal played a crucial role. The J-10C, a 4.5-generation fighter jet acquired from China, boasted advanced avionics and maneuverability, proving its worth in the Pakistani Air Force. In addition, Pakistan's indigenous JF-17 Thunder further strengthened the country's air defense capabilities, thanks to its versatility and cost-effectiveness. In the backdrop of escalating tensions and strategic rivalries in South Asia, Pakistan and India's advancements in fighter jet acquisitions brought their respective air power capabilities into sharp focus. As Pakistan accelerated its modernization with acquisitions such as the J-31, Khan, J-10C, and the JF-17 Thunder Block 3, India grappled with delays in indigenous fighter programs like Tejas and the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft. With the procurement of the J-31 from China and the Khan from Turkey, Pakistan positioned itself to introduce advanced fifth-generation fighter jets into its air force. These platforms offered advanced stealth capabilities, superior avionics, and enhanced combat performance, bolstering Pakistan's aerial superiority in the region. Meanwhile, the acquisition of the J-10C from China and the ongoing enhancement of the JF-17 Thunder Block 3 provided Pakistan with a diverse fleet of modernized 4.5-generation fighters. On the other side of the border, India's advancements were primarily centered around the Tejas program. However, persistent delays and technical challenges hindered the mass production and induction of Tejas into the Indian Air Force. To summarize, Pakistan's rapid advancement in air power, driven by its Vision 2030 objectives and strategic partnerships, has the potential to reshape the regional security landscape. By leveraging a mix of fifth-generation fighters, modernized 4.5-generation aircraft, and indigenous capabilities, Pakistan aims to maintain a credible deterrence posture and safeguard its national interests in an increasingly contested airspace. This journey of Pakistan illustrates how a country can become formidable in air power, and it's a journey that continues to unfold today.